Chocolate mint is a close relative to the ordinary peppermint. The hybrid is a cross between peppermint and orange mint. It is a sterile hybrid that will not and should not produce seeds. Mint hybrids commonly occur throughout their genus and have origins in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Chocolate mint has an aroma of chocolate but taste resembles orange citrus. Chocolate mint is an aggressive grower and will cover as much space as possible by way of rhizomatous roots, so choose their spot wisely. Chocolate mint is fruity, sharp, aromatic, and needs very little to get going. They grow and pair well with a long list of other garden plants: oregano, marigolds, carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, tomatoes, eggplants, peas, and beans. Mint is a double-edged sword in the garden. It pairs well with many other plants but also crowds out a lot of others, such as lavender, rosemary, sage, and thyme. Plant with plants that have a tall or wide growth habits and enjoy lots of sun. An interesting fact, an oil that is found in mint, peelgon, is found in many insecticide soaps, which is effective at repelling ants, aphids, earwigs, mealybugs, slugs, snails, and spider mites. Like other mint varieties, chocolate mint is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as trace amounts of micronutrients and minerals. Its essential oils have a long list of medicinal uses, including healing effects for nausea, cramping, and indigestion.